Alright, y'all, we're back at it again. About to throw on a new slip-on exhaust on this bad boy here. We're going to throw on a new exhaust. We got the M4 slip-on exhaust here we're about to throw on. So right now, just got a couple of hand tools on me. 12 millimeter. Cobalt's been my bay lately. I love them. Just for the flange nuts here. Then we got what I think is a 21. I just got an adjustable here that I'm going to use. 21 mil. And then this 12 also works for the hanger back here. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna start pulling stuff off. First thing we're gonna work on is this bad boy right here. Quite simple. Now everyone says unplug it, plug it. Everyone's got an idea for theirs, how they want to do theirs. Unplug it, leave it plugged in. Mill in there too real quick. Alright, so then literally the next thing we're going to take off is all of these flange bolts up here. So went ahead and took this boy off just to show y'all. You know, take that out, hang it up here, and then we're going to start from the top down. So I like to start from the top down because of the way this kind of sits. There's a bolt that sits right here, a hanger, that it's going to kind of teeter with. So you don't, when you do this one first and then you do that one, it's going to drop, and yeah, it's a pain in the ass. So we're going to go ahead and do these ones here. Ah, damn. They didn't put too much on these. Got one last one I can't quite reach from this side. It's gonna be the one that falls. Maybe not. Maybe I'm gifted. Yep, he's gifted. Oh yeah, we're loose. Alright, so now you're gonna come back here. I don't even know if you guys can see this one. So now you're gonna come right back here to this one. Loosen this boy up. This is your exhaust hanger. So this is once you get this one, we're gonna take one more bolt on the other side we gotta take. So we'll go over and grab that one. Leave that boy on there. Set this down like this. Y'all see where that's going? Tasty. Alright, so now you just want to work this one off in the same. And this, you can sort of use your feet to kind of hold it while you pull this bolt. This boy's coming out. There we go. Now we have another bolt and another washer. Throw that in your pocket. Now we'll drop it right. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, we have an exhaust. And geez, this thing is a fucking tank. Header pipes aren't bad. This bullshit, gotta go. I gotta get rid of it. This is just dumb. Not really dumb. It's smart. Somebody's job is to make this, so it's not really, can't say it's dumb, but M4 is so gracious when they make these. They tell you right where to cut from. They want you to take off these welds right here on these sides of the weld. So the weld closest to your pipes here. All right, so we are back. We got a cut up exhaust here. It's not pretty, but the exhaust is on, so It's all that counts. So we're gonna go ahead and all right. So once you get your gasket set here, a little bit of gasket maker around this. Gasket maker's getting fucking everywhere, man. It's cool. It's cool. Flip this under first. You want to flip your O2 sensor under because it's going to go on that side anyway, and rather than snaking that bitch through. And this thing looks exhaust. It looks sweet. I love M4. I had M4 on my Grom and just loved it. So we're going to here. We're going to snug up your clamp. Get your clamp nice and snugly. There we go. Okay, so now the only thing you have left, this should be the only thing you have left. Two things. And they just so happen to supply you. I got some blue. What do I do with that brand new? There it is. Bitch thought it got away. Alright, so you got your Loctite nut. You're going to drop this in. Alright, then we'll give these a once over up here just to make sure these are still good. Yep, we're good. Alright, so the next thing you want to do before you go tightening this bitch in, you want to come over to the other side over here with your anti-keys on this damn thing. Come down here, tighten this guy up, make sure he's good and snug. And then you're going to apply, on the other side, we're going to apply some of this here anti-seize that's provided onto your O2 sensor, which is already threaded up underneath because it's going to go to the other side because it's a reroute. So that'll be nice. We're going to drop the tool over there and we're going to go to the other side. All right, let's peep the first startup. Let's see what she sounds like. Sounds fucking insane, man. Sounds fucking rad. That was a bitch.